And staying with cultural matters, because leaders of the Rastafarian communities in Western Jamaica say it is time for a review of the law governing the decriminalization of marijuana. The elders say some grey areas have emerged which are leading to the oppression of the groups. The details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
It's been nearly a decade since marijuana was decriminalized in Jamaica. The law in 2015, among other things, allowed Rastafarians use of the herb for religious purposes. But these Rastafarian elders say they are not enjoying the freedoms the law intended for them.
When this law put in place, them never really educate the police about the law and the Rastaman right. So it seems like we're not on a right when our right is there from 2015. So we're not seek for them to put something really and surely in a law. We want them to overstand the Rasta have a right and them to leave us alone.
They are disappointed that the treatment of many Rastafarians today is similar to the oppressive days decades ago. But they say the state can change things quickly, beginning with some simple but critical steps.
But I'm saying, out of our own experience, we realize that the police, not all the police are aware of what is said in the amendment, and not all the judges. So as such, we want it to be stated in a way that there's no mistake by the police, or it is not left up to the discretion of the police to charge or not to charge. We are asking that when these laws are amended, that they be posted in the police station, just like how the pictures of wanted people are posted in the police station.
Rastafari elder Ras Ayavi reasoned the law also needs revision, as some grey areas have emerged in the interpretation and application of the section of the law which allows for the cultivation of 5 or fewer plants on any premises in Jamaica.
What if one plant can grow half pound of herb or can grow a pound of herb? And this man reaping in 5 plants of herb, it come to 2 pound of herb or it come to 1.5 pounds of herb. But the police can go inside there, and can lock him up for the 5 plants of herb, but he can lock him up for the 1.5 pounds of herb. These are things that need to be straightened out by the government to ensure the protection of I&I rights.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
Chilling details.